During your independent reading time today, make sure to get a fantasy book. Let's review what we did during our lesson. Remember, human and animal characters and normal objects are often magical. Remember in Westlandia, we thought about the magical character or object. In this case, it was an object and it was the flower seeds. Then, how is that magic important to the story? In Westlandia, the flowers that book in the garden lead to the creation of Westlandia. Remember to bring these informations with you. Remember today, during your independent reading time, to read a fantasy book. Let's review the lesson that we completed in class so you can do it independently on your own. Remember that human and animal characters and normal objects are often magical. Let's look back at Westlandia. In Westlandia, instead of a magical character, we had a magical object, which is the seeds from the flowers. Then we had to think about how was magic important to the story. In Westlandia, the flowers that bloom in the garden led to the creation of Westlandia. Make sure to do this with your book that you're reading and bring it with us during group time.